Started talking about this concept of talented students and talented scientists. It just kind of came together. We all group chatted about having a talent show and kind of like America's Got Talent, but for scientists. We knew it was crazy. We knew that it would be a very different side of what you think of the scientists in the white coats. It's really due to the fact that we just have so much talent. Amazing performers, amazing artists. Our community is just really diverse in who they are as people outside of the lab. We do really have a strong passion for building community, building connections between people. And to me, this is just an added layer on top of that. Students who are artists can connect with faculty who are artists and all the way across the spectrum. So it's been a lot of fun.